another delicious episode of Mustard Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today we are making the simple and humble Indian dessert Sheera, which is also known as Sooji ka halwa or Semolina halwa. Now there are quite a few ways of making this sweet dish, but the version we are making today is called Banana Sheera. This version is usually prepared in homes and temples during pujas and is offered as Prasad. I remember as a kid, the only thing I went to the temple for was to eat this Sheera. So let's go make this delicious Banana Sheera and make sure to check out the list of ingredients in the description below.
First and foremost, I'm going to start by peeling this very ripe banana. Now we'll mash up this banana with a fork and set it aside. Next, I'm going to mix in a few strands of saffron in about 4 tablespoons of warm milk and set it aside too. Now to make our sheera, I'm going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of ghee into this pan. When the ghee becomes hot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews and half a tablespoon of raisins. Now we're going to saute this till the cashews become light brown and the raisins fluff up. Now I'm going to add half a cup of semolina or Sooji. We are going to nicely roast the semolina in the ghee on low heat till it becomes fragrant. Make sure to keep the semolina moving in the pan to prevent it from burning. When done, I'm going to add in the mashed banana. We'll thoroughly mix in the banana into the semolina. As you're mixing the semolina and the banana, bring 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water to a boil on the side. Now we'll carefully pour the boiling milk and the water into the semolina. We'll thoroughly mix everything till no lumps remain. Make sure to keep mixing. As the mixture starts thickening, I'm going to add in about 2 pinches of salt. We'll mix in the salt thoroughly and keep cooking till the mixture becomes nice and thick. Perfect. Now I'm going to add in half a cup of sugar. As you mix in the sugar, you'll notice that the mixture starts to loosen up once again. We have to make sure that the sugar is thoroughly dissolved and bring the halwa back to a thick consistency. Beautiful. Now I'm going to mix in our prepared saffron milk and a few pinches of cardamom powder. Our banana sheera is now ready. We'll cover and rest it for about 5 minutes before serving.
Oh my god, the scent of saffron wafting from this sheera is heavenly. Let's give it a taste. So good. Make sure to give this banana sheera a try. I promise you, you're going to love it. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams. See you next week. Bye.